Welcome back to the Tool Crib. It's a rainy day here in Texas. I want to say that right off the start. So if you hear the raindrops falling down on top of the shop, my sincerest apologies. The rain just will not let up for me today. The reason I'm making this video is because I'm about to cross 20,000 subscribers, and that is a very humbling experience to say the least, and that is all due to you guys. I have thoroughly enjoyed being able to converse with people all across the world about their likes and dislikes when it comes to tools, to multi-tools, to EDC gear, and everything in between. And to show my appreciation, I've decided to start doing some monthly giveaways as a way to give back to the community. I very much appreciate all of you guys' support. This month's giveaway is going to be the Leatherman Ratchet driver. Now, if you haven't seen my video on the Leatherman Ratchet driver, which in fact there's a couple of them that we did. In fact, we did a destruction test on this to kind of see how much it would hold up. Wasn't the most scientific thing, but all in all, it held up fairly well. And if you haven't seen the review on this, you can check it out right here. Now, the way this is going to work is you don't have to subscribe. You don't even have to like this video. All you have to do is comment with your country of origin. If you're from the United States, just put USA. If you're from Brazil, just put Brazil. And that will enter you into the drawing. And a month from now, on September 1st, we'll use a random comment generator to pick a winner for this item, and then it'll be shipped off to you. And at that time, we'll choose the next item that will be up for a giveaway. My sincerest appreciation to all of you guys. I have very much enjoyed talking with every single one of you. I'm sorry sometimes if I don't make the time to get with everybody. I'm a little overwhelmed with comments these days and being able to keep up with everybody. Just know that I will try to get back with you when I can if I miss you. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.